Welcome to 4W Job Manager app. This quick video will show you how to set up 4W Sync to collaborate with others. Each party should use their own Google account, and a company should use its own company Google account. Okay, so how do we set up the sync? Go to the three-line menu icon on the left upper, tap Sync, and then you tap to sync to select your sync account. Basically, you follow the instructions. Okay. Now, each person that you're going to be working with or collaborating with should set up 4W on their own devices using their own Gmail accounts. Okay. I'm selecting a company account because I'm a company. Companies should use a single company account so that when a team member or a collaborator wants to create a job for that company, they can select this company account. Okay. Now, if you want to start to keep the process going, we start syncing. Okay, this will register the device, and once this is done, we'll set up how we want to connect with our collaborators. Okay, so remember, if you're a company, use a company account. If you're a single contractor working with other contractors, each contractor needs to set up their own sync account. It needs to be a Gmail account. If you don't have one, you'll need to go to Google and set one up before you can do the 4W sync account setup. Okay, so that's been completed. It takes a few minutes. Now here on the screen you can see there are invitations and connections. So we can see the invitations that we've sent. Okay, I'm just going to turn this one off for now because I'm going to use it. And we can see whether we've received any. We haven't. And we can go to the Connections tab and create a connection with somebody we're going to work with. So if we want to collaborate with somebody, we want to create a connection, you tap the Add a Connection Plus icon, and then go to the Contact and either create a new contact or get an existing contact. Now I'm going to use the Shane Roseby one we just saw. It's already been used. Okay, so you can block them or not share or allow them. Okay, so if we say we're going to allow to share this contact, then I can decide, okay, I want to receive jobs from this collaborator, or I just want to share my jobs and get them to subcontract for me. So if I do check the share my jobs, but not to receive jobs from them, okay, they're going to be a subcontractor for me, then I can choose a role, go to the contacts role and select one of the roles. Somebody that I want to see the finances, probably not. I'm just collaborating with them. It's a subcontractor. So maybe I will choose one of the roles such as a collaborator with no finances. Now these roles can be edited. You can go in here and edit the role by tapping the pencil icon, and you can say, okay, you can change the name if you want to. You can say this person or this collaborator will only see relevant jobs and reminders, or they'll see everything. I'm going to let them edit nothing, or just things that I share with them, or allow them also to create new jobs. Okay, and financial data, I'm collaborating with them. They're not an employee, they're not my manager, they're not a partner, so I'm not going to let them see my financial data. Okay, so in this case we're going to take collaborator no finances, which means that this person I'm working with can actually add new jobs for me if I want, and so on. Okay, but I think I actually don't, I'll leave that for that, and we'll do okay. So no finances, but they can add jobs, and then done. Now that will send a connection to that that person. Okay. Now on the other side of this, the person that I've just sent this invitation to, Shane Roseby, will have to accept the invitation. Okay, and once they've accepted it, then they can create jobs if I've allowed that, and they can receive jobs from me. Okay. Thank you.